In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a Wix website and unpublish it step by step. This is perfect if you've created a test site, an old project, or a website you no longer need and want to remove it properly from your Wix account. I'll walk you through the full process inside your Wix dashboard so you don't accidentally delete the wrong site. And just so you know, deleting a site is different from unpublishing it, so I'll explain that clearly as we go. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to wix.com. Once the page loads, log into your Wix account using the email or login method you normally use. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple Wix accounts for different projects or clients. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Wix dashboard. From here, look toward the top left area and click on My Sites. This will show you a list of all the websites connected to your Wix account. If you only have one site, it may open automatically, but if you have multiple sites, this step is important. Next, click on Go to All Sites. This brings up the full list view, where you can see every website you've created, including unpublished drafts and active live sites. Take a moment here to carefully identify the website you want to delete. Double-check the site name so you don't remove the wrong one by mistake. Once you've found the correct website, look to the right side of that site card and click on the three dots, also called the More Options menu. When you click those three dots, a menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click on Move to Trash. Wix will then show a confirmation message to make sure you really want to do this. This step is important because moving a site to trash will also unpublish it automatically if it's currently live. Go ahead and click Move to Trash again to confirm. At this point, the website is removed from your active sites list and is no longer published online. This means visitors can't access it anymore, and it won't appear as a live website. If you are only looking to unpublish your site, this action already takes care of that. However, keep in mind that when a site is moved to trash, it's not permanently deleted right away. Wix keeps it in the trash for a limited time in case you change your mind. If you're absolutely sure you don't need the site anymore, you can leave it there until Wix permanently removes it. And that's it. You've successfully unpublished and deleted a Wix website using the official Wix dashboard. This method is quick, safe, and works for both free and premium sites. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.